Hi, welcome. I think I'm gonna start my day with some fishing. On arcolinux, we have a super easy way to install Steam, and a lot of people use Steam because it is a great way to install games on Windows and on Linux, right? And here it's just called arcolinux-meta-steam, and it's already there. Okay, I logged in, I got a mail, I need a code, and then I want to fish. I think it was 5 gigabyte, I don't know anymore. It's a lot of gigs, right? And then this happens when you log in, and off we go fishing. The ultimate fishing simulator. Press space, done. Tip: if you get a snag, try jerking the line to set it free. Okay. But we are waiting to start our day and we can go fishing. Nice. This is the first time I ran it, so probably gonna take a little bit longer first time. Okay. Hey there, boys and girls. We have some text. I guess we just close. Daily bonus. I did play the game already, so maybe he remembers that this is my second day and I went fishing. Catfish are not exclusively bottom feeders, they are also lethal predators. Oh my god, we have lethal predators in it. I'm already scared. The fresher to pay, the better. Hey guys, this is still virtual, hello? Okay. Oh, my key bindings. Left arrow A is for me a Q. Can I change this, please? Doesn't seem I can click on this thing. What should I do? Q, A, nothing happens. Okay, so A, D. No, this can't work for me. Okay, a lot of things. So I'm gonna use my arrows then. Rod stands and so on. Let's see if we can just use it. All right. So up. Let's see what happens. Oh, I did throw it in. And now turning it again. So this is moving around. This is moving this around. The question is, how do I pull it up? Scroll, tap. I've caps locked this thing. That's not what I want. What's this? That's Q. Oh, I'm actually having a fish here. Oh my god, what's this? Bluegill, new personal record. Okay, don't take this fish to avoid someone, or you can try your luck. Keep, release. Okay, whatever. All right. In the green. Ah, that's the right button of my mouse. The question is, of course, how do I roll it up? There must be some kind of button to roll things up. No. That was the button. I don't know what keyboard binding that was. Not a good one. Can't take out the map. M for map. Okay. So looking for a button here. Scrolling. This is moving back. Now I see my float. That's the word. Now I see my float. So that's the the right mouse click. What's the middle? The middle is nothing. Scrolling is doing something with the right icon there, but nothing with my thread. I would like to roll it up. Escape, can't open menu when the rod is cast. We really should be concentrated on the float. We can't open a menu. Really? And then your life passes by and you're thinking, what am I doing? I could be doing other things or something like that. But I did catch a fish, right? Something about the early worm. Patience. Now, the fun thing, the other day I was at home, at my son's home, and he has this virtual reality goggles thing, and well, we used to fish together back in the days, and we went for a virtual fish, ultimate fish, something VR, and that's of course very nice. You are actually sitting inside a world, looking around to the left, to the right, moving all over the place. Yeah, and it really feels that you're going on a day, on a trip, on a fishing trip, right? Here is pretty much my headquarters and looking at a screen, waiting for it to go down. It's something different. Still wondering. Ooh, I'm stuck, am I? Your tackle was unsnagged. That's probably the problem. Sometimes you have this when you throw it in and where is it? And your bait is on top or something, or lying somewhere. Okay. Don't tell me I have a fish. Come on, how do we roll it up? I thought it was right mouse click, and I think it's still working here because, yeah, I still see everything moving. Ah, nope. Whoops. Come on, Eric, do something. Pull him out of the water then. All right, nothing. A very small fish. And why is he not doing anything now? Move it up. My keyboard shortcuts, right? Whatever. Oh, yes, whatever. Break the line. The fish must be lying here somewhere. Well, it's not that realistic. But I put it on here somewhere. Nope. Gone! Fish is gone! Yay! I am such a noob in games. Alright, but guys, it's all working on arcolinux. That's the point.